This sandwich is a great alternative or addition to the summertime picnic hamburgers and hot dogs. I'm Tess, and I'm going to show you how to make a southern bird dog. Tess, what is a bird dog, you may ask? It is a crispy chicken tender with crumbled crispy bacon, topped with a little cheese, drizzled with honey mustard, all on a toasted hot dog roll. Southern bird dogs are a popular Southern Carolina sandwich. With picnic season here, this is a great sandwich to add to the menu. You always have that one person who prefers chicken over beef or hot dogs. You can actually top this sandwich with anything that you like, but I'm going to show you how to make the traditional Southern bird dog. First, I'm cooking some bacon until crispy and crumbling into small pieces. You can buy honey mustard, or today I'm making from scratch. I have about a half a cup of mayonnaise, and I'm adding in 1 tablespoon each of prepared mustard, Dijon mustard, and I also have some stone ground mustard. 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and white pepper, giving that a good mix and refrigerating for at least an hour. Here, I'm toasting a couple of hot dog buns. Now we are ready to assemble this southern bird dog. You can make your own chicken fingers or buy them from the grocery deli. I'm squeezing a little honey mustard on the bottom of the toasted bun and placing in some of the crispy crumbled bacon. And here I'm nestling in a nice chicken finger. You can cut up the chicken finger to fit the bun if needed. Topping with a nice portion of shredded sharp cheddar cheese and a final drizzle of the honey mustard sauce. You can pop this under the broiler to melt the cheese if you wish. And that is a southern bird dog. This southern sandwich would be great served on a food truck, serving tonight with some creamed coleslaw and barbecue chips. I hope you give this southern bird dog a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.